Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to duplicate a selection in Photoshop step by step. Apply step 1. You can select like rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, lasso tool, selection tool, magic wand tool as you wish. Example, use rectangular marquee tool, use single selection or multiple selection. See this multiple selection. Example is single selection. Then step 1, press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V, then copy. And step 2, select the move tool, then hold Alt key, then move easily. Step 3, directly press Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.